Assalamu alaikum. Today we bring you a video about how to repair the curved hydraulic cylinder. In first video I guide you the process of fixing hydraulic cylinder leakage. We cover every part in detail to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of the procedure. From identifying the source of the leak to replacing the necessary components, you will learn everything you need to know to repair your hydraulic cylinder effectively. In second video I guide you guys that how to straightening a bent hydraulic cylinder piston rod. We focus on the piston rod inside the hydraulic cylinder. I show you how to straighten a bent piston rod and restore it to its original condition. You learn the step-by-step process of fixing the rod so that it functions like new again. This is my third video on hydraulic cylinder. By watching this video, you'll gain complete knowledge about hydraulic cylinders. If you like the way I make my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support and feedback will motivate me to keep working hard and creating more helpful content. A single click from you can greatly boost my enthusiasm and efforts. A hydraulic cylinder's piston rod can bend due to several reasons. Here are some common causes. Overloading. When the hydraulic cylinder is used to lift loads heavier than its capacity, the piston rod or hydraulic cylinder can bend under the excessive weight. Misalignment. If the hydraulic cylinder and its piston rod are not properly aligned, uneven pressure can cause the rod or cylinder to bend. Improper installation. Incorrect installation of the hydraulic cylinder can lead to bending of the piston rod. Material defects. Defects in the material of the piston rod or manufacturing flaws can also cause the rod to bend. External impact. External forces or impacts, such as collisions with other objects, can bend the boom cylinder. Note: to prevent these issues, it's important to use the hydraulic cylinder correctly and perform regular maintenance. After discussing information about the hydraulic cylinder, let's move on to our video. In this video, the technicians first separated both heads of the cylinder and removed the damaged and bent part. What happens next is quite unusual. Yes, have you ever heard or seen that, instead of being assembled by a registered excavator equipment company, a local craftsman is fabricating the entire boom cylinder? But in Pakistan, this is possible. The heads of the hydraulic cylinder will be made one by one using a lathe machine. While gas cutting can be used, it often damages the edges, so the lathe machine is preferred for creating a precise and smooth finish. This machine will also provide excellent finishing for the heads. Some cylinders have threaded heads, but this one uses welding instead of threads. Although every task might seem easy at first glance, its true complexity becomes apparent during practical implementation. The manufacturers remain highly focused and avoid distractions while working, as even a small mistake can lead to significant losses in both money and time. However, once the work is completed, they become very friendly with each other. After thoroughly measuring and inspecting the heads, a pipe with the same diameter was selected from a scrapyard. After taking measurements, the process of making a new cylinder from this pipe began. Due to the pipe being longer than necessary, it was cut to the correct length for the hydraulic cylinder. Cutting with a lathe machine is a delicate process. We need to cut the object very slowly to prevent the cutting blade from breaking or losing sharpness due to overheating. The technician must work very precisely because this is a hydraulic cylinder, whose main function is to generate pressure. Therefore, every millimeter counts, and it's essential to avoid any errors. Once the cutting process was completed, the pipe was removed from the machine and the excess part was separated. The edges were then smoothed with a file. After ensuring the head was properly fixed in the pipe by tapping it with a hammer, the next step involved welding the pipe and head together. It's important to note that the strength of the wheel depends on the proper tuning of the welding machine's amperage and voltage. If not tuned correctly, the weld may not be strong enough. After the electric welding was finished, the pipe was taken back to the lathe machine to smooth the welded area, giving it a professional look similar to an original company product. Moving on to the last part, the second edge of the pipe was smoothed using a mini grinder with a file stone to ensure a fine edge. The tail of the hydraulic cylinder can be joined to the other end of the pipe. To ensure precise alignment of the hydraulic cylinder's tail with the pipe, they performed this operation on the same lathe machine. However, it is crucial to consider safety precautions, as welding on the machine poses fire hazards. They use a small wooden board as a protective measure and commence welding. Upon completion, the weld appears to be of machine quality. The welder demonstrates exceptional skill and professionalism. Consequently, the hydraulic cylinder assembly is now complete. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it informative and helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more expert content on precision engineering. Your support and engagement are greatly appreciated, and it helps me continue to create valuable content. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Thank you for your support.